Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel AutoMT, and today I have shared with you the best list of top 12 garbage disposers. So this garbage disposers list is based on the positive customer review ratings, price, and one that have the highest online sales. And so you won't need to go anywhere else to choose the best garbage disposal. Your best disposal will be available from our this video, and this list save your lots of time to searching online. To view the entire garbage disposal list, watch our video until the end, and if you find your best garbage disposal, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So at number 12 is InSinkErator Evolution 0.75 horsepower and advanced garbage disposal, which is cost you around $231. 4.7 out of 5 star from 9659 customer review already reviewed this item. And at number 11 is InSinkErator Badger 5xp garbage disposal, which is cost you around $121 and 4.7 out of 5 star. And guys, one thing more, price may be vary in future, and I will share all the garbage disposals purchase link in the description box. You can check deep review from there also. And guys, keep watching our video until the end for entire list. In this list I will share all the garbage disposal models name, current price, and customer review ratings, which is most important when you buy anything online. Guys, if you get your best garbage disposal, so please subscribe my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.